and that's out-of-pocket costs. When in fact, the officers are trained in 287G, which is a joint venture with the federal government. The county actually makes money, or the city. In our case, it's the county. When Sheriff Gonzalez was, or Sheriff Garcia was in charge, he told me that he spent $1 million. We were reimbursed $1.4 million. So it's not like the county is out of money. And we do get reimbursed by the federal government. And it's for things like the care and feeding, housing and all that. It's the cost of taking care of the illegal aliens while they're in the jail system. And this is pretty common knowledge. I mean, Harris County's not the only one that can make money on this. Any department, whether it's city or county or whatever, that signs up to be part of this program makes money off this. It's not out-of-pocket money. Another thing I want to say is that between 06 and 2015, over 400,000, it was at 402,000 and change in this country because of the program, joint venture between the local authorities around the country and ICE. Over 402,000 criminal illegal aliens were removed that may not have been removed. These are not people like the guy that's doing the yard, the lady that's cleaning the house. These are criminals. And why anybody wants to protect a murderer, a child rapist, a thief, or anybody else is beyond me. And you watch the news, and every time they talk about illegal aliens, it's always Hispanic. Well, I'm here to tell you there's illegal aliens in this country from 110 different countries around the world. We don't have 110 different countries that are Hispanic. And the illegal Vietnamese are gaining big time on the Hispanic, and so, this is going to remove drug dealers. And when we get sanctuary city legislation out of the state, which we will this year, because Governor Abbott wants it, and the senators and the reps that are on board with that are on board this year, and we're going to get that. And Gonzalez can say what he wants, but he's riding the fence on this thing. And he can act like, well, I'm going to comply, but in his actions, he's not complying, and it's just not the written word. It's going to be actions as well. And when that legislation passes, it's already, Abbott's going to hold 1.5 million from Dallas. We're a whole lot bigger. Is the county willing to take that kind of a loss, maybe over $2 million?
Well, Ms. Thomas, thank you. Your time's up. Maybe one of the next people can address. We were the only county doing 287G, so is he going to withhold that money?